I'm Reggie Rajan. I'm from Vipin in Kerala. I'm a BSc nurse. I studied in Padmavati College of Nursing in Hyderabad. I have total of 6 years of experience. I have worked in Max Balaji Hospital in New Delhi for about 6 years in PICU department. Actually, I plan to go to Canada. So one of my colleague, she suggested me about the Kerala Nightingale, working who were a reputed institution, working for about so many years in Kerala. Through them, I came to know about the different nursing programs like RN, LPN, and RPN conducted in Canada, and they provided me a good guidance to join over there, and they are providing basic in teaching in Kerala itself. 90% of the portions are covered in Kerala itself. Today I came here to collect my visa to Canada. I am flying to Canada on 1st of August. Kerala Nightingale is a trustworthy institution. I recommend all my friends, colleagues, and those who I know as a nurse to go and approach Kerala Nightingale for immigration or study permit to Canada. They are providing a good guidance, and I am very happy. I wish them all success towards future.